Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a review for Wiskf. I will link their website down below. They reached out about doing a review on some of their bags. I was very excited to be able to pick some items. For those of you that have been following me for some time, you know that I love my bags and I also travel in a camper van. I have several bags that I assign for certain trips and for certain items. I know that I will be putting these bags to good use. The website, product links, and discount code is listed below. The first bag is this canvas bag. This is the most adorable print. It has the fun owl. How cute is that? And the bird, it's just so fun and whimsical. The size of the bag is really nice. I love these bigger bags, and if you're a scrapbooker, this will fit the 12 by 12 paper, which is amazing. It's about 14.5 by about 14.5. The material is really nice on the outside, and I absolutely love that they have the gray on the back and also for the handles. It matches with the outside of the bag so well. It has a good durable zipper, which I've already opened and tested several times. On the inside, they do have this brown plastic material. Not a fan of the plastic. I know some people do like this kind of plastic because it's easier to wash. I personally am not a fan of it. It would be nicer if it was gray that matched the rest of the bag. It does have a zipper on the inside so you can tuck away maybe your wallet or your phone. And the inside is nice and deep. You can fit lots of goodies in there. Has the nice shoulder straps. Super cute bag. Loving that. Love the design. It's so cute. And I really do like the outside material. Very well made. The next bag that I'm going to be reviewing is the backpack. I am a backpack hoarder. I love my backpacks. I have several backpacks. I use it as a daily purse. I use it for traveling. I use them for airplane. I have one for my work. I have one for my coaching. I'm so excited. First of all, can we just admire this beautiful print? It has this really nice cream color, these super sweet roses. It's beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. The backpack itself is a normal size, which is so great. It has these deep pockets on the side so you can fit your water bottle, and there's two, one on each side. Some of them only have one. It has the front pouch, which has a nice durable zipper, nice deep, and I do like that they carried the print from the outside to the inside of this front pouch. I love that it has the top handles. You don't have to actually use it as a backpack if you don't want to. And it does come with a snap to keep that closed, which is great for safety. That's a nice feature. It does have the backpack straps and they are adjustable. I do love that it's this nice cream color strap. It matches the bag really well. It has a back hidden pocket, also a nice durable zipper. Nice deep. It goes all the way back to the back side of the backpack, which is really nice. In this front and in there is a little pocket that is deep enough for a small wallet and probably your cell phone. And it has this nice magnetic closure. That is a nice feature. It has the good zippers around the whole backpack. On the inside, it does have this plastic material. It seems like a more durable quality than the other one. I do like that it matches. It is the cream color. The inside does look nice. And it also has the padded pouch to fit a laptop, which is nice for this size backpack. That's great. Loving it. It's adorable, and this is right up my alley, and I'm actually going to transfer my stuff to this backpack, so let's go ahead and do that. This is the backpack that I'm currently using as my purse. This is a Kanken bag, and I love this bag. I bring this back and forth to work every single day. I want to give this new backpack a try, and this is a Kanken backpack. You just pull the hand straps and it's a backpack, and size wise it's going to be the same size. Let's go ahead and get to stuffing my new bag. In the front pouch of this bag I keep my sunglasses, so I am going to put those in the front. On the inside I have my bag that has my wallet and my keys. have my stuff bag that has all the other things that I need during the day. My reading glasses and my hand wipes. And in the back, right here, I'm going to put my laptop. Fits in there perfect. Close that up. And in the side pouch, what I keep in mine, I keep a spare pair of glasses. I keep a pen. I keep my hand sanitizer. And I keep my spray. All that fits in there. Great. And that's it. My bag is good to go. I had so much fun reviewing these bags for wiskf.com. I will link their website and the product links down below, as well as my discount code. They have lots of other bags on their website with lots of other fun designs and images. You can also create your own bags. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye guys.